In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a real estate contract or contracts with DocuSign. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come over to DocuSign.com, in particular apps.docusign.com, and make sure to sign into your account. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click onto Get Signatures. Now on this page here, we want to go ahead and upload that real estate contract. So click on upload, and now depending where you have that contract saved, go ahead and click into it. So if you got it saved in Google Drive, click there, OneDrive, etc. But for this demonstration, I've got this one saved in my desktop here. So I've got it inside of my downloads, this real estate contract. This is the sample I'm using for this tutorial. Now once it's uploaded, we want to go ahead and add recipients. So click on the little drop down menu here, and then basically add the recipients who need a sign, such as buyers, sellers, agents, or brokers. So you can go ahead and put their name in and email. You can either choose for them to sign or receives a copy or needs to view. And we got customize here. So we can add an access code. So we can enter a code that you and this recipient know, or include a personal note with this recipient, and you can add as many as you want recipients inside of it. You can also add a message as well. So we can put a subject in, message, and if you want, you can choose a category. Now from there, click next, and then review the document to ensure all required signing locations are marked. If you need to put your signature in, we can, so go ahead and put in your signature. If it's the first time using it, we can click onto it, and it might say for you to add a new signature. But for me, I've already got one here, so I can go ahead and put a signature in the buyers. We can even put a date here as well. We get stamps, initials, when you got your name, company title. You can set all that up. Then from there, basically click on finish and then click send. Recipients will receive an email with a secure link to review and electronically sign the contract. You'll receive notifications as each party signs. Once completed, all parties can download the fully executed contract.